Get rid of kidney stones forever with this natural remedy. Sand or stones in the kidneys or gallbladder is a common problem nowadays. The problem is usually caused by water and food. To try to avoid heavy methods of conventional medicine, we bring you a proven popular recipe for melting and ejecting kidney stones from your body. Ingredients: 250 grams of powdered sugar, 0.25 L extra virgin olive oil, 250 grams of lemon with peel, 250 grams parsley root, 250 grams of honey. Preparation: wash the lemon well and if sprayed clean it of chemicals. After you clean the lemon, cut it into pieces and grind it in a blender. Do the same with the parsley root. Mix them good and then add the honey, olive oil and sugar. Mix the ingredients until the mass is completely combined. For problems with kidney and gallbladder stones, it is necessary to take 1 tablespoon of the mixture in the morning on an empty stomach and at night before sleeping. The mixture should be kept in the fridge at all times. To resolve most problems with sand or stones in the kidneys and bile, need to drink 2 above measures. The mixture is designed and tested for the purpose of dissolving kidney stones and is very effective. It is important to note that while using the therapy you should drink large quantities of water. Share this recipe with your friends on Facebook so that more people become aware of this remedy.